Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to Majid's channel for reviewing and describing perfumes. Our guest today is L'Homme Idéal EDP and Lantons. As you know, we are expecting winter, so we're gonna enjoy this winter about a lot of ingredients that we can't use it in summer or in fall, like smoky notes, like leathery notes. In L'Homme Idéal, you're gonna enjoy these notes in the cool seasons of winter. Stay tuned. So, the most important thing in the comparison is the scent. When we smell L'Homme Idéal, the EDP in the first moment, definitely you can smell something sweet due to the vanilla mixed with cherry. Cherry note is so obvious in the opening. But what I notice when you spray from the Lantons version, there is some difference, yes. It's more smoky, more warm spicy in the opening. Yes, both of them have the same line. Both of them are woody, oriental. But in the opening, to be honest with you, this is more sweet than Lantons version, that is more smoky than L'Homme Idéal. When the fragrances start to dry, exactly in the middle notes, you're gonna smell the main note in the two fragrances is the almond. So if you love naughty scents in colognes, I advise you to try L'Homme Idéal. Perfect. They use a naughty scent from almond, something like that, and both of them balanced between the almond and vanilla, both of them becoming leathery more. What I notice is L'Homme Idéal Lantons is more leather. They add more leather than L'Homme Idéal. The EDP, yes, it's obvious. The leather, you're gonna smell it here in the EDP just on the dry down, but in the Lantons you're gonna smell it from the beginning till the dry down of the fragrance. This is the main comparison between the two scents. Of course, there is some woods. Here they add incense, and here they add some smoke notes to bring it more smoky. This is the main difference. I repeat it, there is no big difference between the two scents. They have the same line, but this one is more sweeter than L'Homme Lantons, and L'Homme Lantons is more darker and smokier than L'Homme Idéal EDP. And when we talk about the performance, when I test them separately, I see that they have the same longevity, the same sillage. Maybe L'Homme Idéal EDP, the sillage gonna be more little bit than the Lantons version due to the sweet and the fruity scents here. But when we see the longevity, they have the same longevity. It's from moderate to good, not more than that. How to use these fragrances? These fragrances are made to use only by men, not women, and especially in the cool seasons, and I prefer to wear these two fragrances in the cool nights of winter. So in some occasions, and especially some occasions, these two fragrances gonna be perfect. As you see with me, this is the batch code of these two fragrances. You can search for these two batch codes. Yes, the price of these fragrances is not more than $85 American dollar. You're gonna find them between $75 to $85 maximum. So if you reach this section, this means you are interested to buy one of them and to make a brief conclusion about these two scents. If you love L'Homme Idéal line and if you love almond, you can buy these two fragrances, of course, but to be honest with you, this is more sweeter, this is more yummy fragrance, this is more masterpiece of all time. The balance here between the cherry, sweet notes, vanilla, almond, leather, everything. Some some people find lanterns more sexier, more masculine than EDP, and find it more smoothy and niche quality due to the smoky notes mixed with leather. Yes, there is who love leather with smokes. I advise you to go with the intense version. So it's depend to you. Also, there is some people find it more seductive than the EDP. In brief, if you love sweeter notes, go with EDP. If you love smoky notes with leather, go with the intense version. Thanks for watching this video. See you with another comparison.